Keeping your cat's teeth clean is key to their health. Without care, they can develop plaque, tartar, and gum disease. Here are some simple ways to help maintain your cat's dental hygiene at home. To keep your cat's teeth clean, use a cat-specific toothbrush along with pet-safe toothpaste. Never use human toothpaste, as it can be harmful. Arm & Hammer Complete Care Dental Kit helps freshen your cat's breath and support healthy gums. Start the brushing routine slowly, allowing your cat to get used to the taste and feel of the toothpaste and brush. It helps reduce plaque and tartar buildup, promoting better oral health in cats and kittens. Dental treats and chews are a simple way to help keep your cat's teeth clean. These treats are specially designed to reduce plaque and tartar buildup as your cat chews. Greeny's Feline Adult Dental Cat Treats help reduce plaque and tartar with their crunchy texture, promoting cleaner teeth and fresher breath. These treats help clean teeth, freshen breath, and reduce tartar. They are low-calorie, vet-approved, and come in tasty flavors cats love, making them a healthy and enjoyable way to support your cat's oral hygiene. Dental water additives are an easy way to support your cat's oral health. They help reduce plaque and tartar buildup, freshen breath, and promote healthy gums. OxiFresh Dental Care Solution is a no-brush additive that freshens breath, reduces plaque, and supports healthy gums in cats. Simply add them to your cat's water bowl to help reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth and keep their breath fresher. Feeding your cat dental-friendly food can help maintain cleaner teeth. Certain dry foods are specially formulated with a texture that helps scrub the teeth as your cat chews, reducing plaque and tartar buildup. Scheduling regular vet checkups is important for your cat's dental health. Annual dental exams help catch problems, like gum disease or tooth decay early, before they become serious. Your vet may suggest a dental cleaning under anesthesia to remove plaque and tartar that home care cannot reach. You can follow a few more tips to help keep your cat's teeth clean. Begin dental care when your cat is young to help them get used to it, but it's never too late to start. Bad breath, drooling, pawing at the mouth, or difficulty eating may indicate dental problems. See your vet if you notice these. Stick to treats that promote dental health and avoid anything that contributes to plaque buildup. Daily or regular care is more effective than occasional efforts. Regular care, routine vet checkups, and the right dental products can help keep your cat's teeth clean and their smile healthy for years to come.